Hey guys, and welcome back to Mo's Crafty Corner. So today we're going to talk about Micheals gift boxes or grab boxes, grab bags. Everybody's store has a different title, but I managed to come up on 3 of them. So let's stay tuned and see what's inside. Alright guys, so I'm not really sure of what season this was. It's kind of a mixture of things, but I haven't looked through all of the boxes, so let's look together. I know normally Micheals does like after every big season, but when these boxes were out just 2 days ago, Easter stuff was still out, so I didn't get anything Easter, I'm assuming. So let's just see. So far, first thing is a snow spray and stencil set. These containers are empty, so of course I'll be using them for something else, and maybe the stencil for like other projects. But that's why I like to get these, because I just kind of recycle, flip, and use the projects for something else, not all the time what they're meant for. Okay, so the next thing is a frozen science lab. It makes crystals. Retail price, it's not on there, but my little cousin's gonna love it. That's something I'll give away to her. Another container of Floof polar babies. Indoor snow. You can use it again and again and again. You can use animal modes, or a roller is included. So I'm assuming like maybe Play-Doh, but on the snow level. That's just my assumption. So like I said, again, a lot of these are like, I don't know, crafty spring, but not really spring because it's some snow. So anyway, this one is Blizzard in a Bucket. Makes 2 gallons of snow. So that's kind of cool. You guys can see that. Okay, let's see what else we have. 3D scratch and color. This is a 3D art project set, and it's just basically like a color book, but coloring pages. Okay, let's move on. This is a brick maker. It's kind of like a sand toy, but I'm sure I can use that for something else. Maybe I'll use the shovel for like mixing epoxy or something like that. We'll see. This is a chill out and craft. You can make 3 scrunchies. Look at that. 3 scrunchies of your own. Oh, that's kind of cool. Green tie-dye, purple tie-dye, and orange. I'm going to open those later and see what else I can do with them. Okay, here we go. Something I can use, really. It's a pouch, and it says, I can totally make that. And that is so me. I'll be using that back as polka dots. This has a retail price for $9.99. Ooh, I love that. I'm happy about that one. Oh, super cute. Crafting Queen. That's awesome. That's really cool. I never remember seeing these in the store, and I go to the same Micheals at least twice a week, so that's kind of ironic. And this bag retails for $9.99. Now remember, these boxes are only $5 a piece. They seemed very light. Again, I was unaware of what season they were in, but I got 3. I only got 3 anyway, because again, I didn't want to just be stuck with too many items that I wasn't going to be able to use. And so far I'm happy with this bag, and I'm happy with this pouch. So far together, these were $9 or $10 and $10. So for both of these, $20 is worth basically what I paid for all 3 boxes. 3 boxes for $15, 2 bags that I would have paid $24 for, that I paid basically cents to the dollar. So I'm excited about that. Moving on, mini erasers. I'm going to just donate those, give those to my cousin. If you watch my last video, a lot of things that I have from like Christmas and Valentine's Day, I donate them to my church, or I donate them to one of my friends. She has her own daycare center, and so I try to just give back what I necessarily don't need or what I cannot repurpose. So moving on, another snow spray. Let's see. It says mix the water and powder inside the spray. So in other words, I'm gonna, if it's not like out, I'm gonna just reuse the bottles for artwork. Alright, here's another pencil pouch. Yep, kind of pink and silver holographic. It's cool. Next we have a sketchbook. Mermazing. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's really cute. Just another little coloring pad. A penguin maker. Okay. But what do you use it with? It comes like that. Oh, that's cute. Some kids can use it for like playing with the sand at the beach. Create a ball. It's a DIY light up bouncy ball. Oh, okay. That's cute. My son might try to take that. And this one is fuse beads. So I'm thinking these are just like, they had too many during quarantine. People weren't really shopping, and now they're just trying to get rid of a lot of this stuff. Iceberg scented perfume. So cool to flip on. Flip it on and flow. Okay, whatever that is. And we have another pencil pouch. And actually 2 more of the scrunchies. Let's see, are the colors all the same? They are. They're all pink. Orange, purple, and that green. Let's see what we can make out of that. So that was it for box 1. Let's see what's in box 2. Like I said, I'm already kind of excited with those tote bags because, man, I love a tote bag. Okay, let's see what we have in here. More of the snow spray and stencil set. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. Oh, what do you know? There's 4. 4 of the stencil sets. Let's just make sure there aren't any more. Oh, 5. So we have 5 of the snow spray and stencil sets. So these little spray bottles are going to come in a lot of handy. Let me just take a peek really quick. I don't want to make this video too long. But yes, they are empty. And that is what I need. Empty water bottles. And I have a lot of them now. So, while I'm in here, I might as well show you the stencils. So, rocket ship, astronaut, a shooting star, and a moon. And then you have planet and stars. Kind of cool. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus the other 1 that I had in the other box, which is a total of 6. Then we have another Frozen Science Lab. Build a snowman. I'm in LA, so this probably won't last long considering our weather is not that cold. Another brick layer. I like that color. Maybe I can turn that into like a pencil case for my desk. We also have it in pink. Oh, another one. Worry less and craft more. I'm excited about this. And this one again, $9.99. Alright, let's see. We have patches. The letter P. The letter C. The letter G. This one's different. It's a peel and stick patch. Okay. Have the letter D. Letter I. And the letter T. See, does that even spell anything? Pick. Dig. I don't know. We can figure it out. Let's see, any more letters? Yes. Oh, excuse me. Another letter G. and Z, which is probably like the hardest to do something with because not too many Z names around the world. 2 more of the icebergs. Only thing different says this one's blue. It says scented perfume. Shall I? I don't smell anything. Okay. Here we go. Snow clouds. All of this snow stuff makes me think like maybe these are left over from Christmas. I'm not really sure. And this one is Glitzy Dots Snow Cone Scented. This is basically like slime. It's pretty much what those 2 are. It's just like slime. But nevertheless, no worries. Thank you, Micheals. Oh, I got another tote. Knitters Gone Knit. Knitters Gonna Knit. It's really cute. I don't knit. I'm not a knitter. But I will still carry that tote and use it when I have my pop-ups and everything. And these kind of match. So we have Worry Less and Care More. And then we have Knitters Gonna Knit. Nice size bag. Again, $9.99. So that's 2 totes now. So we have Crafting Queen. Happy about her. And then Knitters Gonna Knit. Happy about her. Worry Less, Craft More pouch, aka makeup bag or anything else I'm going to use it for. And today I can totally make that. And that's one of my models. So I have one more box. This box, I peeked in it. Sorry guys, it was killing me, the anticipation of make the video, but also trying to wait to peek and see what's inside. But this one literally is just like a repeat. It's all the same thing, and I'm basically just gonna just pull it out. Sketch and Draw art set. See, that's 61 pieces. It's big. So we have this black art set. I have 1, 2, 3. Oh, that one actually is a drawing set. Another black art set. And a last one. So that's all that was in my 3 boxes. I'm happy that I got the boxes. I should have gotten one more. But other than that, I am pleased with what I got. So thank you guys for watching. Please, please, please support the channel. Hit the like button and subscribe. I appreciate you. Until next time. Thank you.